Hi, to uninstall apps on your Poco X7, we got several ways. The first one is more difficult, so we can go in Settings, here find Apps tab, then choose to Manage Apps, and after that you should see this list of your apps. Simply find app you wanna uninstall. So here we can also tap on the three dots and choose to hide system services. And now just select app you wanna uninstall by tapping it. And on the bottom of the screen you can see this recycle bin and the option to uninstall this app. So simply tap it. And here confirm that uninstalling will remove all app data. So if you agree with that, just tap OK. And now you should receive this message uninstalled successfully. Another way how you can uninstall apps is simply go to your homepage or enable app drawer. Here find app you wanna uninstall, press and hold it, tap this recycle bin icon on the top, and then tap blue button uninstall. And this app will disappear from your app drawer and from your home screen. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.